Hey guys, this is Selfie Style with Shoaib and Chirag
We give spontaneous on-the-spot reaction right after watching the film.
in Selfie Style.
Hi
Hey
everyone.
guys, what's up? So now we are
We're
on
going
the
for
way for
Irada.
Irada. Yes,
Let's see how
Nasiruddin
this movie
Shah.
is all about, man.
And we're curious, to see how this movie is. It's on terrorism apparently, so let's see.
Let's see, man.
Yeah. And so we're gonna go out and we'll talk about the film.
Yeah. So, Irada.
Yes, by Aparna Singh.
Aparna Singh, a debut director, yeah.
Ah,
And
very
hats off to
impressive.
her for bringing such an out-and-out different subject. Yeah,
very,
Like,
very
really good.
different, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Different form
very
of
informative.
different form of terrorism we learned. through
Honestly,
this
I was
film.
not knowing about this
Eco-terrorism.
nexus thing happening around us. I
Yeah,
was
yeah.
not knowing about
Scary,
this.
man.
Contamination of water and cancer is happening.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
all. Anyways, how
Very
was the
crazy,
movie? How did
very
you find out
crazy.
the movie?
What I liked about this movie is how it starts off. You just have Nasiruddin Shah, his daughter, and how his daughter gets cancer due to contamination, and then basically this journey begins of the film. So what I liked is how it starts off very simple with two characters. And the plus point of this movie is that in the first half, throughout the first half at different parts, a new character is added. A new character is added, and that character adds a new dimension
Dimension to
perspective to this issue, to this
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
And so the
It
film
takes the
starts
story more like a step ahead
exactly.
rather
Because
than
of them,
just,
because of them, the film
yeah.
starts like this,
Yeah.
and slowly the revelation is
Gross.
exposed to us.
Yeah.
So that way in which that is done is very nice.
Yeah.
It's like pieces of a puzzle. Put them together, and then you have the big thing.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
Cool, man. Like.
I like that element of the film.
Yeah, so like even same here, like it was a wonderful subject, wonderful movie, wonderfully handled. But somehow, देखो सबसे पहले तो ये है कि ये फिल्म बनाने से पहले मेकर को ये पता होगा कि यार this is taking a big level
Yeah.
of पंगा, you know,
Yeah.
because ये masses के लिए नहीं है. This is for classes,
Yeah.
definitely. Like
That's
you know,
there.
the people look for like that commercial element which
Yeah,
is not
yeah,
there.
yeah.
It's not there. It's good. It's a good serious cinema.
It's seriously.
But yeah, something was like totally very much disturbing in the film, which I found. Number one, that song, journalist का character है ना सागरिका. सागरिका is playing a journalist जिसका boyfriend मर जाता है और उसके वो justice के लिए fight कर रही है.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, investigation officer अरशद वारसी आते हैं और उसको लगता है कि मुझे इनके पास जाना चाहिए, ठीक है, right?
Yeah.
And she's going for the help. Before going, and she's preparing for the scene, like मैं ऐसे बात करूंगी, I'm so and so, ये है मेरा ये है ये. That looks so fake. Why?
Yeah,
Hello?
usually anger
You're
something.
affected.
Yeah, that
you
comes
just
out
straight away bang on,
instinctually.
go and say that this is the situation,
True,
sir, and this
true.
is the
That's
evidence
there.
I have. Like that that disturbs.
I agree.
That's bad.
I agree.
Then again, with Sagarika, the journalist.
Yeah.
Why that song was needed, I don't know. Yeah, like
There's these little elements throughout the film
that
which
was
kind
so
of
dragging. It was totally uncalled for.
you're like in the film, right? And then suddenly something pops up and you're like, wait a minute. And then once again you get into the film and then once again something pops up and you're like, wait a minute.
Yeah.
It's
And
like this sort of a thing.
It was
But
not needed also.
it was not needed.
It was very much conveyed before that, yeah, she's missing. So that song was also showing that
Yeah.
she's missing. Unnecessarily footage for such a big song.
True.
So,
And then in the
but,
second half, as the film continues, what happens is that this structure, of introducing different characters and all that stuff, to a certain extent, okay? Don't mean to really criticize, but to a certain extent ends up becoming a handicap to the film because you get delved into it by this structure, but then you get trapped into this structure. It's like you start hoping for more at a certain point. You know what I mean? Which overall kind of is a setback in the film. But yeah, so that is there. That is basically my analysis, that it's a good film, the structure is nice, it grows on you, but then the structure kind of holds you back.
you back.
So
Yeah.
that balance is not there between the theme and the structure
And the
and
narrative.
all the narrative and all that stuff.
So on that point, I would like to put like the characterization, the arc of the characterization was very interesting of
Yeah.
Arshad Warsi and Nasiruddin Shah also. The transition, the
Yeah.
arc was really interesting.
Yeah, that was
That
nice.
was very nice, but somehow writing didn't impress much.
Yeah.
Writing is very below average. I would
that's
say.
there. I like the father-daughter
And-
relationship.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Everything is very beautiful about it, but the drawbacks are really like, you know, very like it.
Once in a
hurts
while,
you,
it's like
and the writing, like you can say कि it's okay, writing नहीं है ठीक है,
Yeah.
but वो writing problem create करती है, like you know लगता है कि writing की वजह से scene खराब हो रहा है. वो ऐसा एक scene है उसमें जहाँ Nasiruddin Shah is talking to her daughter, the
Yeah.
daughter after cancer, and she's like totally helpless now, and she's dejected, and she's saying कि मैं ये नहीं देख पाऊंगी, मैं आवाज़
हाँ.
नहीं सुन पाऊंगी, मैं वो झरने की आवाज़ नहीं सुन
Yeah.
पाऊंगी. उसमें जो डायलॉग्स हैं वो बहुत स्टेजी लगते हैं. और वो सीन अपने आप में बहुत अच्छा है. जब
Yeah, I
वो
like the scene.
एक्ट्रेस Romana or Romani,
Okay.
like who's playing Nasir's daughter, but she gets into that scene and she bursts out and she cries. So that feel is beautiful.
yeah.
That scene is beautiful, but somehow the writing kills. That's what I feel.
Yeah.
So like the writing was not very impressive, definitely. All in all, this film was good.
Eventually, the writing, you see the flaws eventually.
Yeah.
It starts off very nice and then slowly it's like,
Yeah.
whoa, what happened?
But somehow
yeah,
you can feel the
overall,
intelligence of
yeah,
the
filmmaker, the director.
She has done a wonderful
you can
thing.
See
But
she's
pat on the shoulder
passionate.
for
There's
bringing such a
passion is
subject.
there, clearly. You can tell that this subject is very close to her heart.
Yeah,
that comes
definitely,
across.
yeah.
Because why else would you choose this type of a subject? You know, it's a
Subject,
bold subject. It's a different subject, so it's good.
So well, but
So,
this
overall,
film is
I
not
think-
for masses. This film is for classes.
Overall, it's a one-time watch, I would say. I think it's worth
Yeah,
watching.
people should go and watch it.
Yeah,
definitely,
That is there.
irrespective of like how the film is. but
because
the
there are
film is also
moments
not
and
very
overall
bad.
it's nice.
Yeah,
Overall, it's nice.
yeah.
I liked it.
So how many stars would you?
I'll give it 3 stars.
No, I would give 2.5 stars from my side for a brilliant subject, for the guts of the director for bringing out such a beautiful subject,
Yeah.
and being the first film, she has scored good. She has done a good job and really impressed us. But
Yeah.
थोड़े बहुत minor points हैं, वो होते ही हैं.
Yeah.
So anyways,
So,
bye from
yeah,
my side.
Bye from my side.
Keep watching. Do
Selfie
subscribe and like.
style.
Selfie style.
Yes.
And all that jazz.
Yeah,
All-
subscribe, like, share, and all that jazz.
All that
Yes.
jazz.
Okay, peace
Bye.
out.
Peace out.
Subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. Oh, selfie style. Where else are you gonna find such good shit? Where else are you gonna find such good shit? Such good